I go to when I eat. Tastes like some. It tastes so different, like some pickle.
They use pickle juice.
Mm-hmm.
We have some here upstairs.
It tastes alright. The gravy tastes alright.
Okay, I'm back. Not just mayo. You can mix up in there.
The creamy Caesar dressing. Tasty, you know.
Yes, bad. Did you see?
Here's that mayonnaise, but not my type of salad dressing. Okay, not too bad. Let me see. Can't taste alright. This tastes good. Tender.
Yes, so when you're not served on your food,
The
it's when you're not
fries is seasoned. Pure season from the fries. If you like salty food, then Popeyes would be your choice. Let me taste that.
I add a mixed chicken. I get it. One and easy see them. Chicken is spicy.
This is the tender.
Sauce with peanuts. Instead I get it. Oh,
It's like a sweet thing. Look at them mix. Give me difference. Yeah, this is the only sauce I get. Sweet heat. Let me try it. Sauce tastes alright.
No. Right.
Like some honey. Sweet and
No, because they go to the concept
a little bit peppery.
all the days from the earth.
Taste it on the dinner. Yes, okay. Fish sandwich. Let me taste this. Let me taste. It's okay, but it's salty.
everything's
Salty, man. I like them put cucumber pickle in this. Popeyes